Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed a bunch of different game projects in here, like the food catcher, where your goal is to try and collect the healthy foods and not catch the unhealthy foods. Now, I want to show you a project that uses a similar idea. So this project is called Juggle Fever, and it is by Script Delivery. When we press the green flag, we move around with the mouse like this. And so our goal is to juggle the different balls, and eventually more appear. So now we've got 2 balls that I have to try and juggle, and then eventually even more appear, and it gets harder and harder and harder. And if we drop a ball, oh no, then we just go back to the 1, and then it loses when you drop all of them. Cool. So I thought this was a really neat idea. If you want to check out the code for this project, make sure you check out this description so you can check out their actual project. And if you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.